Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Settings. If you find that the gimbal drifts or tilts slightly, it is recommended to calibrate the gimbal. How to do it? Attach the grip tripod and place the gimbal on a level surface. In the camera view of DJI Mimo app, tap on the bottom left. Select Gimbal Auto Calibration, Calibrate, and tap Start, and the gimbal will start auto calibration. The process takes about 20 seconds, and DJI Mimo will send a prompt when the calibration is completed. Horizontal Gimbal Adjustment. When the gimbal is slightly tilted, you can also choose Horizontal Gimbal Adjustment or Manual Adjustment. How to do it? In the camera view of the DJI Mimo app, tap on the bottom left, tap the gimbal icon, and select Horizontal Gimbal Adjustment to fine-tune the gimbal horizontally.